Starting off for qualification match 8, we have a flub note over on red and 2 in right after. 3 notes in on the blue alliance, shot by K9.0. Riveters just barely missing onto the ground. A note tumbles over on the red speaker thrown by the Dragons as another goes in, and another by Hemlock's Gray Matter. Moving into our match teleop period for qualification 8, we have robots all across the field. Blackhawks picking up a note from that blue source. 302, the Dragons tossing a note, landing just on top of that red speaker, trying to get to their alliance. Rush grabs a note, stealing from the blue area as notes begin to pile up. We see K9.0 lining up, trying to shoot. Let's see if they can make it in as Riveters grab a note from the field wall. Rush and Dragons launch 2 more notes over for red to stockpile. Red needs 1 note to amplify, blue needs 2. Both alliances have their cooperation point, and with a robot lining up, it looks like red is amplified. All 3 blue robots over by the blue speaker. Riveters line up, and it tosses right out of the field. A near miss as Rush grabs a note just from the blue source, lines up to that amp to launch. They change their mind and aim for the speaker as Hemlock sets one right on top of that amp, not going in. Dragons launch 1 more note, stockpiling 3 notes now over on the Red Alliance. Riveters have a note, they're lining up. Looks like K9's taking a little break by that blue amp if they can get up. Riveters grab a note, they're going center field, heavy defense over here by the Dragons, not letting Bionic Blackhawks in, but they get past. They're grabbing a note and lining up. Rush has a note, they're lined up, and a note is broken center field. Just under a minute left in play here for qualification match 8, 50 seconds in the match. Notes laying all over on the red side. They need to start scoring. Red's ready to amplify. Blue is amplified. Rush lines up, and it's in, amplified on red. Bionic Blackhawks send another amplified note in. Close match here, 59 blue to 61 red. Anything could make the difference. 30 seconds left in play. We are almost in our endgame period. Blackhawks have a note. They're going to climb. 2 red robots go to climb. Dragons and Hemlock lining up as we enter our endgame period. 8 points of difference. Anything could happen on this match. Riveters have a note. They're lining up to climb. They're parking. 2 red robots in the air and 2 traps on red with 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And that concludes qualification 8 with a last-minute park. 3 robots in the air across the field. Folks, this match could be a game changer for the scores. If red wins, it will cement Hemlock's Gray Matter up in that Alliance captain position. They're ranked 4 right now. On blue, the Bionic Blackhawks just outside of that range.
The lights are green. Go clean up your robots. Get the field reset for qualification match number 9. And we'll get scores out to you shortly.
Heavy deliberation by our referee crew as we still await our scores for qualification 8. Teams are setting up for qualification 9, which will be underway very shortly. We've got scores for qualification 8. With goes to the Red Alliance. A score of 97-63. Moving Rush into an Alliance captain position. Number 6, Hemlock's Gray Matter up into the